Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen linear search algorithm. In this video we will be seeing linear search implementation at a glance. So let's have a quick recap. So first we need to start from the left end of the array. We need to compare every current element with the element to be searched. If they are equal, then we need to return the current element's position and stop. Otherwise we need to move to the next element. Continue repeating step 2 until we reach at the end of the array. This is how it works. Now let's have a look at the implementation of linear search algorithm in Python from scratch. Now here I am defining a function named linear search. This function linear search will take two parameters. One is the array and another one is the element to be searched. Note that linear search do not require the array to be sorted, because it works for unsorted array also. Now I will be defining any random unsorted array of some elements, and then I'll call this linear search function with the parameter array that we define now and the element which is to be searched. Let's say we need to search the element 100. Now let's come back to the function and write the logic for the linear search algorithm. So now as per the algorithm we need to iterate over the array from the left end. So here I am using a for loop. For I in range of the length of the array, I will be the counter for every current element's position. Now we will check whether the current element is equal to the element to be searched by an if condition. So if array of I equals element to be searched, that means in this case the current element's position contain the element which is to be searched. Then we will return that the element is found at index I. If not, then move to the next element. Now once all the elements are compared with the element to be searched and still the code is not able to find the element to be searched inside the array, then we will return that the element is not present inside the array. This will avoid any unnecessary errors. So to summarize, first we iterated over the entire array. We checked every current element equals to the element to be searched. If yes, then we return the position. Otherwise we return that the element is not present inside the array. Hence it is not found. Now let's execute the code and we can see that the element 100 is found at index 4, which is exactly true. Now let's try to find the element which is not present inside the array. Here we can see 8845 is not present inside the array. Let's check our code is able to handle it or not. And yes, the output shows that the element is not found. So this is how linear search algorithm can be implemented in the easiest possible way. You can find the code for this in the description box. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.